Hey friends, have you ever struggled to get perfect angles or ended up with uneven cuts while working with wood? Today, we're checking out 5 of the best miter saws that make your work fast, smooth, and hassle-free. Whether it's a small project or a big one, these saws will save you time and make every cut look professional. Stick around until the end, because we'll show you which saws are truly high quality and which ones are worth every penny. You can check the price and full details of each product through the links in the description below. Product number 1. DEWALT DWS779. The DEWALT DWS779 is a heavy-duty miter saw made for serious woodworking projects. Its 15-amp motor spins the 12-inch blade at 3,800 revolutions per minute, providing fast, smooth, and precise cuts for every type of lumber. The double bevel design allows tilting both left and right up to 48 degrees, making angled cuts easier and saving time. A stainless steel detent plate with 10 positive stops ensures precise miter adjustments, and the tall sliding fences support large baseboards and crown molding without issues. At 56 pounds, it is a bit heavy but very stable and durable. This saw is ideal for professionals or dedicated DIYers who want accuracy, strength, and a long-lasting tool that can handle both small and large projects efficiently. Pros: super accurate and powerful. Dual bevel for faster angle work. Cons: a bit heavy to carry. Final verdict: built for pros who want perfect cuts every time. Product number 2. Metabo HPT C10FCG2. The Metabo HPT C10FCG2 is a compact, powerful, and easy-to-use miter saw. It has a 15-amp motor that spins the 10-inch blade at up to 5,000 revolutions per minute, making smooth and clean cuts through all types of wood. The saw offers a single bevel of 0 to 45 degrees to the left and a miter range of 0 to 52 degrees in both directions, letting you make precise angle cuts easily. Weighing only 24 pounds, it is highly portable and easy to store or move between job sites. The large table and secure vise clamp keep your workpiece stable during cuts. This saw is perfect for beginners, hobbyists, or light professional users, offering reliable performance without unnecessary complexity, and it balances precision, portability, and affordability very well. Pros: lightweight and beginner-friendly. Great value for the price. Cons: single bevel only. Final verdict: simple, accurate, and ideal for home or light pro work. Product number 3. SKIL MS6306-00. The SKIL MS6306-00 is a small but capable miter saw that performs exceptionally well for home projects. Its 10-amp motor powers a 7 1/4-inch carbide blade, delivering clean and precise cuts for trim, molding, and baseboards. The LED shadow line shows exactly where the blade will cut, giving more accurate guidance than standard laser lines. This saw can handle crosscuts of up to 2 by 10 boards while staying lightweight and compact, making it easy to transport or store in tight spaces. Its small footprint and simple design are perfect for homeowners and DIY enthusiasts who want reliable results without the need for heavy, complex tools. Although the blade is small for very thick boards, it's perfect for everyday household woodworking and remodeling projects. Pros: LED guide for perfect visibility. Portable and space-saving. Cons: small blade limits cut depth. Final verdict: a great pick for DIYers who want easy precision at home. Product number 4. Metabo HPT C10FCGS. The Metabo HPT C10FCGS is a simple, dependable, and budget-friendly miter saw for everyday woodworking. Its 15-amp motor spins the 10-inch blade at 5,000 revolutions per minute, delivering smooth and precise cuts for various tasks. The miter range is 0 to 52 degrees left and right, and the bevel tilts 0 to 45 degrees to the left, giving plenty of flexibility for different cutting angles. Thumb-actuated positive stops make adjustments fast and accurate, and the large table provides good support for longer boards. At just over 24 pounds, it is lightweight and easy to move between work sites or store in small spaces. While it doesn't have a laser or shadow guide, its smooth operation, accuracy, and portability make it a reliable tool for beginners or professionals seeking performance without a high price. Pros: very portable and affordable. Smooth and accurate adjustments. Cons: no laser or shadow line. Final verdict: great for beginners or pros on a budget. Product number 5. DEWALT DWS715. The DEWALT DWS715 is a classic single bevel miter saw designed for reliability, accuracy, and ease of use. Its 15-amp motor powers a 12-inch blade that cuts through hardwood and softwood effortlessly. 14 positive stops on the stainless steel detent plate allow fast, repeatable angle adjustments. The tall sliding fences support up to 5.5-inch base molding vertically, making it ideal for crown molding, trim, and framing projects. The bevel tilts 0 to 48 degrees left and 0 to 3 degrees right, providing enough flexibility for most woodworking needs. While it is a single bevel, the saw is solid, stable, and easy to handle. Its sturdy build and smooth performance make it a trusted tool for both professionals and serious DIY enthusiasts who want precise, long-lasting results. Pros: strong motor and precise design. Excellent cut consistency. Cons: single bevel only. Final verdict: a durable, no-nonsense miter saw built to last. I share helpful videos for you every day. So, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications. You'll find all product links and updated prices in the description below. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. I'm ready to reply. We've done our personal research to save you both time and money. Our top 5 list is carefully made based on ratings, reviews, quality, and durability. So, you can confidently choose the best product.